Good day, senseis. I will be doing a Wolfram Alpha tutorial. This website will help you teachers look up the most dated and most reliable data you could ever browse for. This tutorial will also show you how reliable it is compared to sites like Wikipedia. It's like Google but suited for more school or learning purposes, and they don't give you links to this website. They just present you with information. You must be asking yourselves, why does this help me? I mean, this website is ideal for a student, not for teachers. Well, it can help you in a number of ways. You could use this as a reference for your next lesson. You could search up new information that you wouldn't know about your subject. I'm not saying that you don't know a lot about what you're teaching. Well, anyways, don't worry, fellow teachers. This website is suited for a variety of subjects like math, science, history, geography, etc. Because this website just presents you with information. But enough of me talking about it. Let me show you. The first thing you want to do is open up your browser. Then you have to type in the URL www dot wolframalpha.com. Oops. So you'll stumble across this little search engine in the middle of the website, titled Wolfram Alpha. The wordings of examples, random, a few images at the bottom, and the sign up bar right here. I'll leave the sign up bar up to you guys, but so I'll teach you what you can input in this search engine. Now you guys will be thinking like, that's pretty easy. I could just input something like hitch wait the Harriet Tubman and get my results like that, etc. But you know, you can input a lot more things than something really specified. You can input something really random and it'll still relate to your subject. Like you can input this: what is the meaning of life, and it'll somehow relate to English. I'll show you. You press enter, you get the search engine, and bam, they give you the result 42. And you'll ask yourself, 42? That's a silly answer. And you might be asking, how does this relate to English? Well, this is related to this. They got their answer from a science fiction novel called The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. And they also present you with information about that too. So in a way, it does help you, yeah, in a way it does relate to English. Now for all those math teachers out there, I would just like to point out something. When you're typing 5 to the power of, let's say, I don't know, 3, you don't have to type that in, because I guess that takes a lot of time. You can just type in shift 6, which is the arrow pointing up, and it will mean the same thing, giving you the answer 125, number name, number line, etc. So yeah, that's one of the many things you can input on this website. When you're typing in 5 times 3, oops. When you're typing in 5 times 3, a more appropriate way to type that would be 5 asterisk 3. And I guess it won't be that important for you teachers, but I just need to get it out of the way on because I feel like it's kind of etiquette to type in this kind of way. And yeah, I'll tell you what examples mean. Well, examples, what happens when you click examples, you'll go to this another page where they'll show you a collection of subjects like mathematics, words and linguistics, etc., people in history, and all that. And then when you click on one of these subjects, such as mathematics, they'll show you a bunch of search engines with input in it already, which are examples of what you can input in this specific subject. So let's click x to the power of 3 minus 4x squared plus 6x minus 24 equals 0. Let's see what happens when you click that. And there we go. We get our answer. We get the root plot, alternate forms, the solution, which is 4, complex solutions, etc. Back to the home page. Now I'm gonna show you what happens when you click the word random right here. Now basically it's just gonna give you a random input into the search engine. It won't like it won't let you choose. It's not really useful to you guys now, but I'm just gonna explain it. It won't let you choose what your the particular field you are trying to study. Like if you're in science and you're studying physics right now, it won't let you search something like. It won't let you go into that category. It's just gonna pick something at random. So watch what happens when I click it. See, it's just gonna give me random input like 15.25 plus 7.9 plus 7.12. And when we click search, taking a long time to load, give us our input, our results, rational approximation, and its place on the number line. And yeah, that's what happens when you click random. I would like to point out is the images that glow at the bottom here. Well, it'll depend on what happens. Like you can go to the settings. Wait. You can go to the settings and change your background so you don't have those images, but I feel like those images help, kind of. Wait. I feel like those images help because these images actually mean something. When you click on one of these images, depending on what the image is, they will present you with the search and they will present you with the search engine with input in it. So like if I were to click, this is my favorite photo, this photo of this guy who is Dwight Schrute, and I click search, which is that orange thingy, they'll give me information about this fictional character from the hit TV series The Office, which was one of my favorite TV series. Because as I said, Wolfram Alpha presents you with information with a variety of subjects and topics, in this case pop culture. And yeah, that's what these images mean. Einstein equals mc squared, etc. I guess you teachers have a basis of what happens in Wolfram Alpha. I hope you liked this tutorial. I hope this was useful to you teachers. And thanks for watching.